Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a review of the Lionel Union Pacific PS-1 Frieght Sounds Boxcar. So let's get right into it. So this car is a Lionel, just your run-of-the-mill PS-1 boxcar. I do not have any other Lionel PS-1 boxcars, so I cannot compare the quality of this one to the other ones. I would assume it's the same, the only difference being the electronics inside. But what I will say is the construction on this is very good, and the sprung trucks are very nice. They work great, and overall the construction is just very nice. So this is a Frieght Sounds boxcar. So the way it works is on the bottom of the trucks here, when the wheels are spinning, I guess it just randomly, as it's going along, it would send a signal to the electronics inside the boxcar, and then the speaker will go off making one of the various freight sounds, such as wheels squeaking and stuff like that. Compared to my other PS1 boxcars, as far as the quality goes, I have a Weaver boxcar, which is, they're basically the same shell, but the Weaver one is highly less detailed, not as nice. Compared to an Atlas PS1 boxcar, they're both pretty identical as far as the shape and everything. The doors on this one do not open, and the chain that's here on the handbrake is not separately applied, whereas the Lionel one is. But other than that, they're basically the same, and I will say the Atlas one rolls a little bit smoother. And the trucks are a little bit heavier, but they're not as sprung as the Lionel one. But they're both very close. I paid $120 for this at my local hobby shop. You can find them on Train World. I saw them for about $105, and then tax and shipping. So you're looking at a good day. You could probably find these for a little bit under $100 before tax or shipping. And then I would not pay more than like $130 for this if it was with tax or shipping. This particular one is Union Pacific paint scheme, and it was built by Lionel in, if I can find the date on this one. Don't remember where they put this. I found the build date. So this one was built by Lionel in 2016. So, yeah, I guess they put the year for this one on the bottom. Which brings us to the various controls for this. You can adjust this button. This is for max and minimum, which is, I assume, is the sound output. And then sound and no sound. And then this is your dial. You get in there with the little screwdriver, and you can adjust the volume. So I have this currently set to max with sound, and then I have the dial all the way up. And then we can look at some of the under detail of the car, which looks pretty good. And then the speaker over here. So why don't we listen to it now? Okay, so now what I'm going to say about this is you're going to want to put this car towards the end of your consist, just because if you have this kind of closer to the locomotive sounds are going to drown out the sounds of the boxcar. So I have this towards the end of my train, and we're going to first run this around with no volume coming out of the engine, no sound coming out of the engine, and then we're going to do it with the engine on full volume, so you can just kind of hear the differences in the sound and how well you can hear it. So let's do that now. with sound coming from the locomotive. So, overall, this is a very nice boxcar. I think it was definitely worth the money. It's pretty good quality, and I'm pretty happy with it. And, yeah, overall, it's just really nice. So, thanks for watching.